Today we're going to see how good the AI tool ChatGPT is at creating formulas in Excel. If you don't know what ChatGPT is, it is a large language model developed by OpenAI and it's been trained to understand and generate human language. This includes understanding and generating Microsoft Excel formulas. I'm going to test ChatGPT by giving it a series of Excel formulas to create, and then we're going to see just how well it does. I'm going to start with simple Excel formulas and then increase the difficulty. First, let's see how ChatGPT handles a basic formula like sum. On my worksheet, I have values in column B that I want to determine the sum. So let's try it with ChatGPT. I'll enter the following prompt. Create an Excel formula that finds the sum of values in the range of cells B4 to B11. I'll copy the formula to my worksheet. Look at that, it works. That's pretty neat. However, let's up the difficulty level with an if formula. On my next worksheet, I have some random grades. This time I want to display if the score is a pass or a fail. Let's see how ChatGPT handles this one. I'll enter the following prompt. Create an Excel formula to determine if the value in cell B4 is greater than or equal to 50. If the value is, display pass. If not, display fail. Well, it looks good. I'll copy it to my worksheet and then copy it to the remaining rows. Impressive. Once again, ChatGPT came up with the working formula. Alright, let's really test ChatGPT with a more complex problem. In this example, I need to determine the day I need to email out a notification 10 days before a sale. However, if the date falls on a Saturday or Sunday, the date must be changed to the Friday before the weekend. If we simply subtracted 10 days, we'd end up with the date February 12th, and that falls on a Sunday. Alright ChatGPT, show us what you've got. I'll enter the following prompt. Create an Excel formula to subtract 10 days from the date in cell C4. If the date is on a Saturday or Sunday, modify the result to the date of the Friday before those days. Wow, that was fast. I'll cut and paste the generated formula into Excel. As you can see, the formula is correct and works perfectly. It's quite amazing to see that ChatGPT is not only able to understand and generate Excel formulas, but it can also do it quickly and accurately. This can certainly save you a lot of time and effort when working with Excel, and it's just one of the ways that AI is revolutionizing the way we work. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this.